Welcome back to the No More Lies 2012 YouTube channel. So I'm coming to you guys today in my closet. I just got a new product and I want to share it with y'all. As many of you know, I got my hair straightened by Hair Growing Hands Natural Hair Salon, and it's in the Dallas area. And the owner of the salon, she actually came out with her own product line because she has a huge following of people who wanted her to straighten their hair. And because she could, straighten everybody's hair and help grow their hair, and she ended up hiring stylists, and I ended up having my hair straightened by one of the stylists. But she also wanted people to be able to experience, all of her methods to grow long natural hair. And so she came out with a product line to reach more people since she can't reach them with her own hands. So she created this product line called Juices and Botanics, and I ended up buying the juice box. The juice box looks. I'm gonna show you here on the screen here. So this product, it's a box of products, and it costs $159 as you can see, but it's currently on sale. And I wanted to share this with you guys now to catch it on sale because it's normally just at the full price, and I went ahead and bought it myself because I was like, I've been stalking the website, and I'm like, I want to get it when it's $30 off. And so it's $30 off now, and plus you get to use my coupon code and get an extra $5.99 off. So I personally used it myself, so I could save me about $35 on this product. But anyway, so you see you get a bunch of products here, and we're gonna look and see what it looks like. I'm gonna share that with you. And I'm a little thirsty, so I had to get my own little juice box today because I'm a little thirsty just even thinking about these products that I don't pay all this money for. But yeah, let's look at these. Okay. So and the good thing about this is that the shipping came really quick. I purchased this on Thursday, and I got this on Saturday, so they were quick and got this to me real fast. And I'm also in Texas, and they're in Texas as well. So this is the box here that it came in, and it's supposed to be all these products that are listed here. So let's see, it's supposed to have this deep conditioner, let's see, detox deep cleanser. So a cleanser, a conditioner, co-wash, a leave-in spray, a quench cream, the drip gentle. I did the drip, which is an oil, Hydra cream, juicy curly cream, and hair growth berries. So let's see what's in this box. She actually launched this last year. And when she first launched it, it took like weeks, maybe months for people to get their product. So I'm glad I was able to get this in 2 days. Not to say that if you were to get this, you'll get it in 2 days. This is a box. Oh, look at that. So they changed the packaging. This one online is like the thin green box, and this is like a thicker box. So definitely change the packaging. Alrighty, let's open this. Okay, as soon as you open it up, you got hydration hair therapy. Okay, my hair needs some therapy. Alright, and this is the message from the Growth Guru. That's who she goes by on her Instagram, is the Growth Guru. And a little message. Alright. Got the cards. The type of luxury you and your hair deserve. Okay, come with it. Juicy tips to help you grow different. Okay. Oh, there's a free hydration guide. Okay. And then it's okay. You get a lot for this, $159. Got a little booklet here, like their own magazine come through. Okay, magazine. Yes, scientifically formulated for thirsty hair, plus using heavy products. Okay. Why hair typing is a waste of time. Do you hair type? What you think about that? Is hair typing a waste of time? How about, I have my type of hair. Okay. All right, magazine. Like literally magazine. Got the content. Okay, magazine. Got some myths and got some truths. how to solve this. Okay. Yes, this is definitely $160 worth. A lot of quality in here, a lot of quality. Now let's see if we got some quantity in these products. So it's packaged up. And they did say that something was gonna come later. Let's see what's supposed to come later. The Hydra Cream is on back order, so I shouldn't have the Hydra Cream in this box. All right, so I have my what is this? Juicy Smooth Hydrating Detangling Conditioner. Okay, this is the conditioner. I want to go ahead and smell it. Oh, it's a little seal on there. So, anyways, I like the theme. I like the theme of the juice and botanics. Got the shampoo. So, conditioner, shampoo. The Quench Cream. This is a leave-in conditioner. We got the Hydra Cream. Also, the Hydra Cream is in here. They might need to update their website. All right, Hydra Cream is in here. And this, I guess, just a hair cream. And then we got the Curl Definition Cream. So what's the difference? What's the difference? One's for curl definition, one's for, I guess, hydrating your hair. Guess we'll find out later. And then we got a detangling co-wash. I hope a little goes a long way, which it should. Now I'm excited about this leave-in spray. I'm excited too. Then we have this is the drip. So this is an oil. I'm gonna go ahead. The packaging is a little different, so I guess they have to protect it. So this is the drip. Some oil. Healthy hair growth. Oil. And some berries, a dietary supplement. So she even has her own dietary supplement. Not a lot of people have that. But yeah, say eat 2 gummies a day. Or it's directed by a healthcare professional. Now, I'm not into like vitamins and stuff to grow hair, but I am going to try these because I want to, and I heard they taste real good, and I'm just excited. And plus, I paid $160 for it, so I'm going to use everything. And then that's it. And then it says you got the juice. Once you get, I guess you get through all this box, you got the juice. So I got the juice. Let me drink some juice because I'm thirsty again. But yeah, so I wanted to share these products with you because, like I said, I'm gonna do some wash day routines with this, some luxury wash days since this is luxury here. Okay, I can't just be using this when I want to. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, I'm a little frugal when it comes to hair products. But I wanted to support this business because she has done a whole lot for a lot of women out there for their natural hair, and I enjoyed my natural hair experience when I got my silk press. And so she's pouring a lot into what she does, and I wanted to support it. So I am gonna try all of these products. I'm gonna do a twist out and a wash day routine, so I can, and I may try to do a wash and go. I'm not sure. I guess the Curl Definition Cream, I might try to do a wash and go with that one. I'm gonna actually use these products starting in May. I'm gonna use all of these just consistently, just until I run out, so that I can see what it does to my hair, how it make my hair feel, and I'll see if I want to add it to my natural hair routine, if it's gonna be, you know, a staple along with some of my other ones. So I'm gonna try it out. I'm not a product junkie, so I'm not buying any more products for now because I just, you know, bought a year's worth right now. And so I do want to go ahead but that's just a joke though. But I'll just say I think this is worth $160 because like this is like really good quality. Like you get a magazine, okay? So yeah, I think it's definitely worth the $160. So I'm gonna, like I said, I wanted to share this video with y'all because I want y'all to get this deal, this $30 off plus save $5.99 using my coupon code, and I'll link that in the description. So if you want to try these products with me over the next few months and we can see how we like them together, then go ahead. Otherwise, you can wait and see what videos I put out and see if it's something you want to purchase. But just be aware that you might have to purchase the full price until she have it go on sale, which I'm not sure when she would have it go on sale, because like I said, I've waited some few months and I was able to finally see that it was on sale. And I'm very happy I purchased this. Like I said, I want to support what she's doing, and I just want to try the products in general because I heard a lot of great things about them, and this is a brand that a lot of people don't know about, and there's not a lot of videos on YouTube about it. So I want to be able to bring this brand some awareness, because a lot of people don't, like I said, a lot of people don't know about it. And like, this is like luxury. Like, look, this is luxury. You get a whole box full of stuff, and the quality of the packaging is superb. Like this is nice. So definitely, if you're interested, like I said, go ahead and purchase it now so that you can save $35 with my coupon code. But you don't have to get the juice box. There, you can buy these products individually. I want to try the whole brand, and you don't have to get this particular juice box. As you saw, there's different ones. You can get the kid one, which it doesn't have as many products, or you can get one of those other ones. But yeah, so I thank y'all for watching this video. If you have any suggestions, just leave them in the comments below, and I will see y'all in the next video.